10 most important categories that you want to make sure you pack. Watch the video till the end because I'm going to be telling you something that is such a savior if you keep it with yourselves. Also bonus tips for NIF Shillong students. Hey guys, it's SJ and welcome back to the channel. Let's quickly start with the list of things because we have to cover a lot. First one is the study basics. As a NIF student, stationery is really important for you, and so you want to make sure that you bring all the basic stationery that you have. By basic stationery, I mean like your pencils, your erasers. Pencils, make sure that you bring the whole range: 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B. Then also get your sketchbooks. First year is all about drawings and paintings. I would recommend you to get the spiral ones, better when you want to tear out pages. Diary, want to note down things really quickly. All your paints and markers that are lying around in your house: poster paints, water paints, acrylic paints, fabric paints, markers, permanent markers, sketch pens, color pencils. You will be needing those. I would recommend you to get Staedtlers. Staedtlers are a really good investment. Also get your cutters, scissors, punching machines, staplers, files, so that you can keep all your works organized. Things that I would personally recommend you getting that are macrame. Macrame is really helpful, and then we'll be having a different subject for it. If you have a glue gun, it is such a savior in college. Also clay, I would recommend you to get clay because personally in Shillong it was hard to get clay, and even if you got one it was very expensive, so maybe get clay also. So yeah, other than this, if you have anything that you think that will be useful in your assignments and everything, just get it, because one, it is always better to have stationery in your room itself when you have a really quick urgent need of it. Second, stationery is quite expensive. The second one, which is the electronics, make sure to pack all your electronics, your laptops, chargers, pen drive, hard drive, power bank. Moving on to the third most important thing, which is your documents. Pack all the documents that you think are going to be useful, like your Aadhaar cards, PAN cards, your bank documents. Keep it properly in a file and pack it safely. Other than this, I would suggest you to start your GPay and Paytm. They are quite really useful when you want to do transactions like between your friends or something, so that you don't run out of cash. But for Shillong students, I would recommend you to get more cash other than GPay and Paytm, because usually it is hard to find someone who uses GPay and Paytm in Shillong. And on to the fourth one, it is the medicines. Pack all your basic medicines, like the medicines for your cold and cough, headaches, stomach aches. If you have any other medicines that you take on daily basis, antiseptic creams like Borolin, Odomos for mosquitoes. For females, make sure you pack your sanitary pads, tampons, or your menstrual cups. I know tampons and sanitary pads can be bought from around the hostel itself, but make sure to pack at least one basic one. Point, which is the weather essentials. Check the weather of the place you are moving to. If it is warm there, if it is cold there. Obviously, if you are moving towards the south of India, you will be needing more of summer kind of clothes, and if you are moving to the north of India, you will be needing a little bit of warm clothes. So make sure you check the weather of that location. Umbrella, whether it is hot or cold, you will be needing an umbrella anyways to protect you from sun or the rain. Especially for the Shillong student, make sure you bring the umbrella. Umbrella is like a phone over there. You need it every single day with you. So if you're someone moving to the hostel, get your own pillows and bed sheet covers. Mattress is provided by the hostel itself in almost all the NIF campuses. This category is clothes, and you want to make sure you pack at least 5 types of different clothes. The first category is the inners and all your basics like your socks, your mufflers and everything. Second one is the college basics. Pack all your jeans, tops and all the trendy clothes that you have. And get your traditionals. Traditional, you can get some saris, kurtas and ghagras. One of some comfortable clothes that you want to wear at your room. In these also, I would suggest you to get some clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. I ruined a lot of my clothes during my assignments, and
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really
up to the
fine.
fifth category, which is the formals. Get at least 5 to 6. Formals are really important because you only have to wear formals, so make sure you keep those. Moving on to the next category, which is the accessories. For accessories, get the basic ones that you will wear on daily basis. Also junk jewelry. Junk jewelry goes with everything. Then also get some statement jewelry, all your flats and shoes and heels. Pack your purses and mini backpacks. Mini backpacks are quite useful during the trips. Also get some tote bags. Tote bags are quite useful when you want to carry extra things to your college. Next category, which is your makeup and skincare, based on the weather you have in that location, like your body essentials, your lip balm, kitchen essentials. Obviously, if you're someone who is planning to live in the flats, you have to get all your kitchen essentials from that location itself. But if you are someone who is planning to live in the hostel, you can carry a plate and bowl for all your snacks, your spoons, your forks. Carry a tiffin, get your water bottles, cup with you in which you can drink your coffee or your juice. Now coming up to the last, by carrying these 3 things, I did a really good thing. The first one is achar. I know in hostels they do serve achar, but I did not really like my hostel ka achar, and that's why it was a plus point for me that I had my ghar ka achar. Ghar ka achar is everything. So make sure you carry achar. If you don't have that, you can carry those sachets, the 10 rupees ka aam ka achar they sell. It is really good. So you can get those. Second one, which is Maggi Masala Magic. The packets that you get to put in your sabjis and everything, it is a savior, trust me. I carried like a bunch of packets. If you see, there are days when you just don't want to eat your hostel food, and it was so helpful. I literally used to carry it behind my phone cover. Coming up to the third one, which is the packets of instant soup. I carried a lot of instant soup, and it was very helpful on the days I had to do assignments at night. You need for these instant soup is your hot water, and you just put it in a bowl and your instant soup is ready, and it also fills up your stomach. You can also buy these 3 things online after you reach there, but I would highly recommend you keeping it in your room, because trust me, you will thank me later. So yeah, that was it. It was a really long list. These are the things I think that you should definitely carry with you. Make sure to share this video with all your classmates so that it is helpful for them also. And also subscribe and press the bell icon. If you think I have missed something, you can put it down in the comments, and it will be helpful for everyone. So yeah, bye bye.